Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again once more, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. Me there, my people, me there. See, alright, so I have 2 videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And these videos had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when these videos have been recorded. Now, the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a confrontation between a civilian and a police officer from within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video shows 2 police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica, and based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that those police officers who you can see in this video had been accused of doing things that are not considered to be proper policing. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about the situation shown in the video. You can tell me who you think was wrong from who you think was right. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think of people. Observe.
Him that man paper on the ground. Wanna step up on the man paper. That one there were there in a passenger side, throw the man that paper on the ground. And the man pull back and next time come up to come fight him.
That situation, they look away, my people. Yeah, man, that situation look away, you see? Yeah, the video shows when one of those police officers used at least one of his feet to push the thing or things that are on the ground that are said to be papers. You see me I say? Yeah, and then the video also shows when a civilian took up those things that are said to be papers. See? My people, listen. I wasn't there. I'm only going by some things that I saw and heard in the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? I want to make it be very clear that I am not trying to be disrespectful to anyone, whether you're a police officer or not. You understand? However, if any of those police officers throw any of the civilians' documents or papers on the ground, then that is just wrong. And that's just my point of view, you see? Anyways, I'm just letting you know what I think about that situation. You can let me know what you think about the video or the situation. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and a group of persons. In the video, you can hear when at least one of those persons called the man general manager. And based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a group of persons was at a business establishment that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica when they decided to leave the business establishment because of a certain rule or policy. And the man who was involved in the confrontation decided to walk with those persons to wherever they were going in order to leave the premises. Now, viewers and subscribers, you can tell me if I am right or if I'm wrong, but in my point of view, I think that the man who was involved in the confrontation should have allowed those persons to walk by themselves to wherever they were going in order to leave the premises. You see what I say? But a video only shows a certain amount of things that happened when it comes down to certain situations. So I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think for yourself, viewers and subscribers. You can also tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right as well, based on some things that I just said. Is that what I say? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, tell me what you think. Observe.
In my car, and Mr. General Manager here is following us to our vehicle after we said we're leaving. We are leaving. We are leaving, sir. We are leaving.
Where are you going?
Why are you escorting me to my vehicle?
Our property and we can do so.
Oh, sure, go ahead. So, Mr. General Manager here at my car,
Yes, ma'am.
We are taking our business. I wasn't talking to you, I'm talking to.
That's okay, ma'am. Obviously.
So we're taking our business to 100 restaurant because they only facilitate 6 persons at a desk and not 7 persons.
Okay.
And he's so disrespectful about it. According to him, he is walking us to our car to make sure that we leave because it's 7 of us here and not 6.
And that is why you'll publicize on Instagram
look
and
at
lie.
you.
That is not what has happened, and you can.
So okay, then explain what has happened.
To explain, let us
Okay, so it's not a lie. You know damn well it is not a lie. You said there's a policy. No, make it stay. Big General. Yes, you are. You are. You are. He said he has. You have the right to follow us. So go along. Our car is around the back. Our car is around the back.
And we are leaving.
Yes, Mr. Manager.
We are leaving.
So you're upset with us because we're leaving your place. Yes, you're upset. Why are you walking us down? Why are you walking us down? Why are you walking us down? We said we're leaving your business because there's 7 of us. You only required 6. And you have a problem with that?
We're leaving.
My people, I don't mean no disrespect to no one, but I think that he should have just allowed those persons to leave the premises by themselves. You understand? You see me? So explain some more why I say so still. Look, listen, now observe.
And you're antagonizing us.
I am antagonizing.
Yes, you are going to your car. Why are you still here?
Are
you crazy?
Of course he has to be crazy. You're cocky. You're cocky. You're cocky. First of all, you're training us. You're walking us and following us.
These people are seeming to be.
He is being very rude and disrespectful. Very rude and disrespectful. And like I said, you are Mr. General Manager. Mr. General Manager, look at you. Look at you. What kind of general manager are you? People, please don't take your money to my car. Do not take your money to my car and waste your time. This is the general manager. And look how he's behaving. Look how he's behaving. Nobody cares anything about your good evening. Exactly. You have absolutely no respect. It is very necessary. It is very, very necessary. Very necessary. Very necessary. I'm not worried about you, worried about anything. Obviously you're worried. Obviously you're worried.
About being a boss.
I'm
up here asking to be a general.
You know, I pity you. I pity you. I pity you. You're so desperate for attention. Look at you. Look at you. You're so desperate for attention.
Know where we park.
Well, listen, after today, you will get all the exposure you need. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Obviously, you need attention. Obviously, you need attention. So after today, you will get all the attention you need. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
They're upset. People, they're upset. So I just simple that.
We most certainly will. We most certainly will.
So they
We
decide to
most
leave and
certainly will.
escalate to this
And we
kind of
will
thing.
not be having at Macau.
That is fine.
We most certainly will. We will have a wonderful evening.
Let us be on our
I will take as long as I want to take to get to my vehicle. You don't tell me how soon I have to take.
You don't own this place. This is a free place. You can't tell us where to
not
stand
a
or what.
free place,
Okay, so
number
take
one.
us out.
I'm not going
Take
to
us out
because
because you cannot. Because you cannot.
Mom,
Because you cannot. Can you forget your ass back? We are going to our way to the evening. We don't need you to escort us here. We just
Look at these idiots. Oh dear.
So tonight
I
we've had
pity you.
some people passing through
Yes,
the station.
so we are passing through Macau. Macau told us that they have a 6-person policy on chairs. There were 7 of us available and we're leaving. The so-called general manager here in front of us decided to escort us to our vehicle. So go ahead, Mr. General Manager. Go ahead. We're following you.
Okay,
Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. We definitely will be having a nice evening at 100. Most definitely will be having a nice evening. Hello, if the man wants to make an ass of himself, let him make an ass of himself.
Well, my people, some things that I'm about to say, some persons might agree and some persons might disagree with the things that I'm about to say. And is it my car, my cow? I'm a cow. A cow. Anyways, the thing is, viewers and subscribers, see? I think that the man should have allowed those persons to leave that business establishment by themselves. Yeah, I think that he should have not walked with them to wherever they were going in order to leave the business establishment. See? Viewers and subscribers, I cannot speak for everyone, you know. But in my point of view, you can feel a way if you got a business establishment and you're being followed by somebody who work at that business establishment, you know. See? Because me see quite a number of videos posted on social media about situations where persons feel disrespected and discriminated and all different type of reasons because someone at a business establishment was following them or watching them in the viewers subscribers. As I say, so that's why I say that him should have allowed them to just leave by themselves. You understand me? I say, and the thing about it again to viewers and subscribers, I mean, if somebody go at a business establishment and them decide to leave, I mean, should that cause a big confrontation? But then again, the viewers and subscribers, I don't know what happened before this video had been recorded, you know. Yeah, me don't know how the situation was before this video had been recorded. But I must tell you what I think, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if I'm wrong, and you can tell me if I'm right, you see me? And tell me if I'm a car or a cow. See me? Yeah, tell me if it's my car or my cow. You see me? I have to wonder if I style the person, I style the name of the place or something. You know me? I'm not sure. But anyways, tell me what you think about those videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, skilla! You are watching Dancehall skilla.